Well, a cold front that brought some of the scattered showers today is now clearing our southern counties, and the rain is finished for a while. Notice there's the front moving through now. There are a few of the showers that came through mainly the early half of the day, moving off to the east, but we've got Arctic air that's looming to our northwest that's produced 2 to 5 inches of snow. Iowa to Minnesota. You know what's interesting? I just looked at some pictures online from Iowa. It's interesting to see green maple trees covered in 3 inches of snow. Very interesting up there. Going to have some pictures of that coming up at 11 tonight. But we've got what's left of a typhoon right here. This is Tropical Storm Patricia down here, and just a lot of deep tropical moisture continues to flow northward via our El Nino developing in the Pacific, and a lot of moisture out of the Gulf of Mexico, and all these factors will combine to bring another flooding event for what looks to be the southern U.S. Now tomorrow, good news is, with our warm front lifting northward, it's going to shove a lot of the really cold air north of us. So I'm going to put our hard freeze late in the week and into the weekend. It's going to be delayed a little bit, so that's good news, but still cool at 55. More clouds as the day wears on. At least some scattered showers arrive Wednesday, but boy, with the northeast wind, it's going to be chilly. Highs only around 49 degrees. The heaviest, steadiest rain will arrive on Thursday, with the remnants of Patricia and that typhoon combining together into this storm system. But again, it looks like the heaviest of the rain staying just to our south, even though we're still going to have some chilly rains on Friday. Now, as for us, I think a ½ inch to an inch of rain, very common. Heaviest rains, though, I-70 south, 1 to 3 inches in southern Indiana. And check out the amount of real estate, over 5 inches of rain likely in the south. So definitely a lot of flooding down to the south, and there will be harvest delays. A lot of farmers want to get in the field. Even with a ½ to 1 inch, there will be harvest delays. Then a moderate to hard freeze by late in the week and next weekend before we see a really nice warm-up, but more rain next week. But check out the highs finally into the 60s. So mostly cloudy, chilly tonight, though, all the way down to 36. But a lot of the really cold air stays just north of us tomorrow. Going to warm it up to 55. Winds out of the northeast, but there's some of that cold air. We're talking a cold rain in a scattered fashion, certainly Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Highs only in the 40s, a good